Control Pilates in San Diego. I'm going to guide you through a roll-up today on your Contrology mat. This is by far the best mat that I've ever worked with, and I've used quite a few proper Pilates mats. The feedback of the foam is priceless. It gives you so much information throughout your back, legs, neck, as to where you might be not working the way you should be. Helps you clean up your practice. So we're going to start our roll-up by talking about the dowel that you absolutely have to have when you do a roll-up. It is going to build symmetry in your entire body. It helps you work your upper back, which has everything to do with how you use your low back and your seat. So let's go over how to hold onto this properly. You want to have a straight wrist, a straight arm, so that means your wrists are soft. Your elbows are soft, but you're working really hard to hold on to the bar from here. So make sure that your full hand is connected, and I imagine breaking the bar in half slightly to get that pinky edge to connect and for me to feel my lats work. So give that a try. You don't want to overdo that. You want the hands to remain light and for the majority of the work to be in the back. Okay? So that's how to use that. And then we're going to use the strap. Place that around your ankles, and you want to flex your feet so that when you look at them, they look like they're standing. So I have my heels together, my toes apart. Your heels are together because your seat is holding them together. So sometimes this can be a habit over years of doing this and not even realizing that you're using your feet to hold your feet together. But let the feet open and bring the heels together because of your seat, and that will help you to connect to your back as well. From there, grab your dowel. Your hands should be at least shoulder width, if not wider, depending how tight you are. So I'm going to bring the bar straight up, and then I'm going to reach it further. I'm going to push it away and over my head so that I can feel how my arms connect into my waist. So I'm pushing the bar away to pull my waist to the mat the best I can. I'm going to flex my feet and think about standing on flat ground. They should be flexed to the point where you feel an opening through the front of your hip and you feel your seat hold on to the strap. From here, we're going to push the bar away, push your heels away, and roll through. So right about here is the hard part. So you need to really connect from the middle and lift and lift and lift from the center to reach forward. When you're at the top, the crown of the head is reaching forward. I'm pushing my heels away. I'm going to pulse 3 times, or I should say reach 3 times. I'm going to reach more, and reach the most at the top. So pull in, pull in, pull in, and then start to go back from the middle. I'm continuing to reach up into my bar, push my heels away, and pull my middle down to the mat. To this amazing foam where it really helps you to work in such an honest way. I'm going to roll up, and roll back. So the legs are zipped up. Reach, feel where you are on the mat, and wherever you're on the mat, really be on the mat. Pull down across your back, across your hips. And I even think about leaning forward and reaching my spine forward as I go back. So I'm continuing this lengthening forward feeling as I pull my center in. Then I can really feel myself getting a deep stretch. So as you can see, the strap isn't taut at the very top. So I still have some work to go with my lower body. But at least I know where I'm headed, and it keeps getting better. And I can continue to challenge myself without building any bad patterns or habits. This really helps you stay honest, like I said, with every exercise. Thank you for watching this Contrology video.